Somebody whom he could love, him could seek guidance. You know, the earliest anthropologist was Father Schmidt and Professor Tyre. They say two major rules of anthropology and of human existence. Number one, the first Homo sapien was Homo religious. The Homo sapien was Homo religious. That's the first law for anthropology. The question is, why should a new man who doesn't know anything about, tilling the land, who doesn't know anything about spices and know nothing about food, nothing about trees, nothing about their, the results of all those life, how could he be interested in religion? I asked this question from an anthropologist. How could some very real basic man be interested in religion?
Because there is a need in the heart.
Yeah, that's the need of the heart. That means we all get nostalgic about reality and truth. This is inherent. Perhaps somebody who made our gene left a space over there to know something.
That's often what I feel, because I grew up in an agnostic family where religion and gods and everything, it was not part of my family.
I do believe agnostics are very intelligent, but I believe they don't reach the niche of the problem. The niche of the problem is how ungodly the first man could be religious.
Yeah, because there is a need in
and not only this, Professor Tyre, after 50 years of anthropological researches, he gave a result that Homo sapien was not only Homo religion, but he was also monotheist. Yes, one God. Yes. This is very interesting. These two results are now confirmed anthropological results. That the first man was religious, secondly, the first man was monotheist. If you go beyond about your Celtic mythology, about your, this Scandinavian mythology.
Yeah, we have many.
But if you go beyond those mythologies, you will find even Thor was born of a singular god.
Yeah,
Even Greek mythology, Cronus was a single god, and later on he developed into gods and goddesses. So the most amazing history of man is that since the man was born on earth, since he started thinking, he believed in one God.
like the first god of that.
So we determine the purpose of religion is not simply to bow down to some unseen reality. The purpose of religion is to give a safe way to humans to find the truth, the God. The only purpose of religion, of all religions, is to find God. It's not our purpose to create a government of religion. It's not our purpose to kill others for religion. It's not our purpose to shatter the peace of the people in the name of bigotry and prejudice. The man's purpose is to find God. The only main purpose. If you want to believe in Him. And you know what God says? You need an argument for that. Quran says you need an argument to know God. Without argument you can't find God. Okay? And our argument should be more powerful than skeptics, than logical positivists, than communists, than socialists, Marxism, Leninism. It should be more powerful than anything on God's earth. Only then you can believe in God. So people don't try for that. Normally, they don't try for that. They only believe, and they say we have a blind faith. Blind faith is considered to be the most foolish faith in God.
It's dangerous. Because if you don't question why, and you don't question how,
You don't have the answer in yes or no. Yeah, that's it. Ki ji.